new person watching this video, welcome back to my channel. It's Tosin, and today I'm going to be giving you 20 ways that you can use 20 stress-free ways that you can use to earn money off the internet from home. So let's get right into the video. So I have a list here with me and I'm just going to be taking them as I go. Yeah, so the first thing on my list is start a blog. Yeah, starting a blog is it's easy to start, of course, but it can be hard to stay consistent. So you have to be determined to stay consistent. But starting a blog will definitely earn you money because you'll be able to monetize it after a period of time. Second thing on my list is becoming a freelancer. You can definitely become a freelancer on sites like Freelancer, Upwork. There are so many freelancing sites out there. Just Google is your friend. Just check Google. You're going to find so many freelancing sites out there. Third thing on my list is becoming a virtual assistant. You can become a virtual assistant. You can just check Google on how to go about it. But I do know that virtual assistants earn a lot of money, like a lot. So the fourth thing on my list is becoming a social media influencer. A social media influencer is somebody who influences the decisions and probably actions of his or her followers, stuff like that. So to become a social media influencer, you have to have a lot of following on major sites like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and you have to be able to put yourself out there. You can't be shy to be a social media influencer because you have to take lots of pictures. You have to be able to show yourself. You can definitely earn money from it because brands can pay you to show their product, or they can give you free products in exchange for a mention or an advert, something like that. Then the fifth thing on my list is writing ebooks for sale. Yes, you can write ebooks for sale. Writing, you can upload your ebooks anywhere. Like, okay, maybe not anywhere, but like there's so many sites that will pay you quite a lot of money to upload your ebooks. I really like this ebook option because it's just like making money while you sleep, if you get what I mean. Yeah, because while you're sleeping, people are buying your books and you're earning money. So yeah, 6 points. You can set up webinars to teach people stuff, to teach people like different things, and setting up webinars will also earn you money while you sleep because people are watching your webinars. Different people from all over the world at different times are watching your webinars, so you're earning money while you're enjoying your house, from the comfort of your house. So yeah, so the seventh thing on my list is becoming a sales coach. Yeah, you can become a sales coach from anywhere in the world. You can become a sales coach with just a phone, just a cell phone. You don't need to have a laptop or a MacBook or an iMac or whatever. You just need your knowledge of sales and a phone. So yeah, you can definitely become a sales coach if you have the knowledge. So go for it. And yeah, if you're a sales coach, it would be very, very nice for you to set up like probably like a webinar for a particular lesson. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is basically just opening an online store, then getting a supplier, then taking the pictures from the supplier, posting it on your store. Basically just like a middleman. You can find out more on Google. Google will tell you so much about it. You can read ebooks, and then yeah. And talking about ebooks, I'm going to tell you guys something at the end of this video. So for now, my next point is Miniposition. Yeah, you can start Miniposition. Like you can order like at wholesale price that are really cheap, and then you can just, when they get here, like you order in bulk, and the way they get here, you can sell them. The difference between dropshipping and Miniposition is that with dropshipping, you don't need any money to start up. You just like need the pictures, use them on your store, and that's all. With Miniposition, you're going to use your money to place an order, and then when it gets here, you start selling. So yeah, that's it. Then write for websites. You can write for websites, you can write for blogs, company websites and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You just have to like work towards it. If you are really good in writing, you can do that. So yeah, then start a YouTube channel. Like you can definitely start a YouTube channel. Everybody like wants to start a YouTube channel, but you have to be consistent with it. So you can start a YouTube channel that would earn you money, but only that it will take a long time. So like, and yeah, and starting a YouTube channel with the mindset of making money isn't really the best thing ever, because then it will most probably take you a longer time to earn money. But if you start out with a good heart, maybe you will. I don't know. So then the next thing on my list is sell your pictures. You can sell your pictures online for money. I think it's called stock photography. So yeah, there are so many sites, so many legit sites. Make sure they are legit. There are so many legit sites on Google that you can sell your pictures. Yeah, you can check them out. Then the next thing is sell your advice. If you're really good at something, or if you know so much of something and then you want to like talk to people about it, you can just create a platform, create a webinar and stuff like that. Like probably like if you're like a love doctor and you're really good in giving relationship advice or stuff, something like that, or probably like also being a sales coach, just like sending your advice, or like being okay, probably like YouTube advice if you know so much about YouTube and you want to tell people about it. And you can just start like being by being free, but then you can create webinars on the side for people to watch, you can redirect people there, and then they have to pay to watch it and stuff like that. So yeah, you can earn money from webinars and from sending your advice. So you can proofread for writers, and you can get jobs easily on freelancing sites like Freelancer, Fiverr, and Upwork. Yeah, you can proofread for readers or for writers, for people that write. There are people that write and then probably they want to publish their book, they'll be looking for proofreaders. So like you can sign up for that, and yeah, you can earn money off that. It might not be a lot, but like if you're consistent and if you always deliver on time, you get promoted on whatever platforms you are using, and you'll be able to earn more money. So that brings me to the next thing, which is editing for writers. Editing and proofreading are like pretty much the same thing. They go hand in hand, but yeah, they're not really the same thing, but they go hand in hand. So you can earn money off that too, and then you can also get jobs on freelancing site. So you can do that. Then next on my list is becoming a graphic designer. You can design graphics for people, you can design graphics for websites, you can design websites, like you can create websites if you're really good with WordPress and all these other websites, creating things. You can design websites for people, you can design graphics, ebook covers, different things. There's so many things you can do. You can design, you can make, there's so many things you can do. And yeah, you can get jobs. You can like, if you know how to do this, you can get jobs from your friends, from your family members, and you can get jobs from freelancing sites too. So yeah, and then for most of these online jobs, you might need to have a LinkedIn account. LinkedIn is like a social platform, but mostly for like business and for like professional people. So yeah, you can open an account with them and just use it to like show what you have. You can get jobs of LinkedIn too. So yeah, I'm going to put the link down below. Yes. Next thing on my list is handle people's social media accounts. You can definitely handle social media accounts because there are so many people out there who want to have like a lot of following, but they do not know like how to like increase their followers or how to put themselves out there. If you know all of these things, if you just like take the password of their account and then just do your stuff. So the next thing on my list is take service for money. Taking service would definitely not make you rich, but I personally like taking service because like I get to give my opinion on like so many things, like things you won't even think about. Like you'll be able to give your opinion on so many things, but like the pay is usually not much. Sometimes they pay some like really good sites pay $1, sometimes $1.50, but like that's like for beginners. I don't know if like they increase the pay later on and stuff, but I know that you definitely do not pay too much. So yeah, the best way to earn from service sites is to join a lot of them. You have to join a lot, in fact lots of service sites. You have to join so many so that you're earning from each and every one of them. But you have to be consistent, because when you sign up you have to answer questions like set up your profile, and then they give you service based on your profile answers and stuff like that. So when there's a survey that matches your profile, you get an email, and if you are interested you can just take it. But if you do not take it, I think within a day it's gone and then you lose the money. But if you finish the survey successfully, you get your pay, and you can't make millions with taking service. You definitely can't. So but you can do is just like earn pocket money. So the next thing on my list is test apps and websites. I personally like this one more than taking service, because I'm able to like, there's so many like websites that I would get to see before anybody. I basically just have to check for glitches and check for errors, just rate the app overall and stuff like that. So and when I'm through, I earn my money. It's as easy as that. The platform I use is Perfection. I'm going to put the link down below if you want to join. It is stress-free. It's definitely stress-free. Of course, it is time-consuming because you need to calm down, you need to relax, and take and then test the websites or apps that you are giving, and then you have to take whatever notes, like you have to note down whatever you notice, and then you have to like screenshot important things. So yes, it might be time consuming, but it's not particularly stressful. I like perfection because the threshold is not really high. They pay like 10 to 15 euros per website tested, and then the threshold is 20 euros. So like if you guys get two 10 euros websites and like they're approved and you get paid, you can withdraw once it gets to 20 euros. So like that's why I like it. And even if you can, and you would get like websites to test often, websites and apps to test often. So before like a week or two, you already have like 50, 100 euros, and then you can withdraw, and it is real money. And the last thing on my list is you can tutor people for money. You can like join tutoring websites, tutoring platforms, and then become a tutor, and then you earn money by the hour, which is like really nice. You can earn like $5 per hour, depending on what you teach. If what you teach is like in high demand, so yeah, you can teach online. So yeah, I said somewhere when I was talking about ebooks, I said I was going to tell you guys about reading ebooks. Yeah, I said I was going to tell you guys something. I just want you guys to know that to earn money and to be successful, you have to read. Even if you hate reading, you have to, because successful people didn't just get successful, they read books. It doesn't always have to be fiction. Of course, fiction helps your vocabulary and stuff, but sometimes you need to read like inspirational books, you need to read marketing books, you need to read sales books, just depending on like your line of money making. You need to read books. Yeah, you definitely need to read books. Some people will say they don't like reading books. That how won't you read books and then you're watching this video, you're telling me you don't like reading a book, but you're watching this video looking for how to make money. There's so many ebooks out there that will teach you how to make money in 5 pages, like, but you won't know because you didn't read them. But then the only thing is that some of them might not teach you in-depth knowledge, then that's why that's when you will need master classes. And most people do not like to pay for master classes. I do not know why, but just so you guys know, master classes will actually help you because you get one-on-one time and advice with someone that's a professional, or a fair professional, I guess. But yeah, you're able to ask whatever questions you want. You're able to like the person is going to put you through, and then before you in no time at all, you're going to start making money. But like, have you ever heard of the saying that money brings money? You're using money to look for money. That's how life works. Even if you want to work, you're going to enter transport to where you're going to work now. And okay, or if you want to write CV to a company, you use money to buy paper now. You use money to buy envelope that you put the paper. And you use money to enter transport to the place you go and submit the kini. You need money to make money, especially if you're in the sales line. If you sell stuff, just like try to join master classes, try to learn more. Or if you are not really good at what you do, you might not necessarily be selling. If you're not really good at what you do, try to join master classes, read ebooks, watch webinars, or I guess buy webinars. I guess you can buy, but watch them from beginning to end. Learn, jot down, have a book, jot down all the things you want to, like you're learning, jot down all the things you are going to use. You have to be sure of the person you're giving your money to. You have to be sure that the person is sound in whatever he or she is teaching, and you have to be sure that the person is very knowledgeable about whatever you're learning. But the thing is that ebooks are really short, except if it's like a novel, but like an online novel. But like a book that teaches like sales and stuff like that are not usually as long as that, especially the ones that just give you tips. Like some of them are like 16 pages, 20 pages, okay, probably 50 pages, but that's like really light. That if that was in hard copy, that would be like, okay, I have a book here, and look at this book. And this book is just, okay, see, this book is 131 pages. And look at how light it is. Now imagine if this was an ebook that you just have to scroll through your phone. It's not that much. It's not even that big, and then the words are big. They're not like tiny words or stuff or things like that. No, they're not tiny. They're not as tiny as this. No, they're very legible. So the book isn't even that big. So yeah, you know that there's not much to read. I know I'm talking too much now, but I just really need you guys to know that you definitely need to read ebooks you definitely, or in fact not ebooks, you definitely need to read books. But if you do not have money to buy hardcover books or to even buy ebooks, you can get free ebooks. There's so many sites you can get free ebooks online. You can just do that. I'm going to put some links down below where you can get free ebooks. They're completely free, and then you can just download them and then read, and then just add them to your library and then increase your knowledge. So yeah. Oh my god, my throat hurts. That is pretty much the end of this video. I have nothing to say again. I've given you guys everything that's in my head for now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope that whatever you do works for you. I hope that whatever path you choose makes money for you. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so now. Subscribe to this channel to see more videos from me. I'm going to be posting twice a week, so anticipate, because you're going to be getting more videos from me. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. I hope you liked it, and if you didn't, I'm sorry, but I know you did. So give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, because you never know who might need some of these things I just said. So yeah, and yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. If you're on TikTok, let's be friends. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. So